This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joseph Young. This is a great opportunity to make this home yours. Great triple split floor plan and 4th bedroom used as office, no closet when built. Brand new AC just installed 2 weeks ago. Home is located in oversized lot with plenty green space. Fantastic open floor plan with kitchen/family room combo along with living room and dining room. For more information, review the details below or contact Joseph Young at 954-693-0100.